YouTube, what's good? Welcome back. It is boredom killing time. So this is actually going to be a two-part video. I got a gentleman. His thermostat went out on him on his way to go buy brakes for his car. So I'm gonna swap his thermostat, and then tomorrow I'll be hitting his brakes. Thermostat on the minivan is really easy, guys. This is gonna be like a 5-10 minute video, really quick. But enough jaw jacking. Let's get it. To expose the thermostat, you first have to remove the hose clamp to disconnect the hose from the airbox. The thermostat is connected on the left side of the motor under the airbox. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. Repeat the process on putting everything back, top off the fluids, screw everything down, and you're done. It's a pretty easy gig, guys. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.